Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Today is 13th of April 2022, and here we are trading the in and out, the volatility 10 in this in and out. We are using the web trader. So let's just wait for this thing to change to red. This green, this last tick right here. Let's wait for it to change to red. Okay, it's red there, so we're going to click on purchase, then we click on view. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you. We'll explain it to you. Let's just wait. We still have more time left right here. So we are trading the in and out, and we are taking the goals outside there, and we've set our entry spot and the high barrier and the low barrier. So this is the current spot right here, and let's just wait for the time count. For those who haven't purchased the scalper boats, there's a boat right there. The boat trades on binary.com and deriv interface. The version 6.5 is out, and we have already sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat. For those who haven't purchased the boat, to visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. The boat is automated, and as you can see, we've already won that trade there. We've already won that trade. So let me just close this right here. So it's red again. Let me just wait for it to drop down. Once it drops down, okay, it's down there, it's dropped down. So let's click on view again. Let's click on view. So this is the PIPSREAPER boat as well. The boat trades on digits. The boat trade on digits, and is a 7.99 USD. For those who haven't purchased the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.binary.pipsreaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. For more updates. So here are the links again. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boot, and this is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boot. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is a link to subscribe to the second channel and the third channel. So let's get back to the trading. Remember, this is our second trade right here. So after this trade, I'm going to explain what this strategy is all about. So this is the current spot, this is the high barrier, this is the entry spot. So we are still in between here. So once we are outside, we are going to win the trade. So this is the time count. 6780. 6780. Okay, we can't deal at market there, but I want it to hit. You can see we were in profit there, so we can actually sell, and I want it to hit. So we are close. We are already close to 779. Okay, you can see we've already won that trade there, so we made 13.53% again. That's 2 point something USD right there. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you. Once you log into the webtrader.binary.com, you open the trade volatility 100 index. Volatility 10 index. Then you change the trade type to in and out. Then you click on goes outside. You set the durations to 5 minutes. You set the high barrier offset to plus 1.814. Then you set the low barrier offset to minus 1.113. So then you are going to open the chart as well. You go to chart, you go to synthetic indices, you go to volatility 10 index. So once you open it, you set the interval to 2 minutes. So make sure you click on goes outside there. Then you enter the amount you are going to be staking right there. So I'm going to change this to 55 because this strategy is 100%. So I'm going to change that to 55. So we're going to make $6.56 there. So once this thing is going down and it's red, we are going to click on purchase. The last indicator must be, you can see the last indicator here must be red, and it must be dropping down. It must be, you can see it's red there, it must not be green, it has to be red. You can see the candle right there, it has to be red, and it must be dropping down before you click on purchase. So you can see these are indicative. We're already in profit here, but I want to wait for it to hit the low barrier. Is 779. The low barrier 778.212. This is 779. This is the high barrier 781. So these are time counts. $6,780. We are already in profitable. I don't want to sell at market. I want it to hit it, so we are closed already. We are almost closed there. I can actually sell at market here, but I want to hit it. We are almost. You can see we've already hit it there. That's 13.54 again. So these are exit spots. This is the exit spot here. This is the high barrier. We said so. It went outside the high barrier. So you can go on and on and on. Make sure this thing is red and make sure it's dropping down before you click on sell at markets. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Thanks for watching. Bye.